back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this really potent moringa hair mask, and I'm surprised I haven't done this sooner, considering I'm a huge moringa advocate. As y'all already know, I have done moringa with rice water. I have showed you guys how to make moringa oil. I also showed you guys how to make moringa powder. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely go and check it out in the description below, and I'll also leave links above that you can click. Today we're gonna get right into this hair mask for hair growth. Moringa is awesome, and if you want to know all the benefits of moringa, I'm definitely going to leave a link to that video that I already uploaded on my channel so that you could go and check out all the benefits of moringa. So let's get right into this video. Some moringa leaves that I am drying out right now. This is what I'm going to use to make my moringa powder. If you guys want to see how I make moringa powder, definitely go and check that video out down in the description. But this is what the dried moringa leaves look like. Okay. Moringa has a large variety of rich minerals, including zinc, which is essential for healthy hair production, and antioxidants to help boost keratin production. It helps restore strength, promote hair growth, and repair damage. And I'm going to go ahead and add the additional ingredients. The next ingredient that I'm going to be using is yogurt. Yogurt is full of protein that offers nourishment, which the hair needs for proper growth and health. It has lactic acid that is great for cleansing the scalp and clearing away the dead skin cells to help your hair grow properly. The next ingredient that I'm also going to be adding is olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which makes your hair strong and prevents hair from falling. Massaging regularly with olive oil can also fix the problems of split ends. Olive oil moisturizes your hair and reduces scalp irritation, which further reduces dandruff. It also moisturizes your hair and it promotes hair growth. These are all the benefits of the ingredients that I'm going to be using in this hair mask. And as you can see, these are all edible ingredients. So you can use this hair mask for your face and your hair. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.